Engagement quality control review, a process designed to provide an objective evaluation before the report is issued. So, of a significant judgment that the engagement team made and the conclusion they have reached in formulating the report. We should see in this way. A conclusion is being drawn. Okay. Who draw the conclusion? The engagement team draw the conclusion. So, what did the conclusion comes out? What is that conclusion derived from? It is significant judgment of the engagement team. Okay. So, what is it linked with the engagement quality control review? So, engagement partners have joined together. They have come to one conclusion that a significant judgment is being applied to come to this conclusion. So, whether this judgment, which is derived from the audit evidence, which is being obtained through the audit process, whether the process has been as per the plan, and is there any deviation from the plan? How did they derive this evidence? Is this appropriate evidence? It is providing substance to the audit report. Is that more audit evidence need to be required to be derived, or more audit procedure to be followed? Is that sufficient? Everything to be analyzed. That is the responsibility of the partner. Even he, after the sign, he hold the responsibility. But the person who is there in the audit firm, who will be checking that whether this has been properly done. So one person is going to give the report, good, but the another person who is nearby will check that everything is perfectly or not. If any department once asks the question, is this signing partner has a sufficient evidence to substantiate his opinion? This is what the engagement quality control reviewer will do it. This process is called engagement quality control review.